This guide shows advisors how to view their clients' personal and shared vision work, so you can better support their dreams and decision-making. You will also receive an email when they've completed major milestones. Navigate to the Families section. Click View for the family you're currently working with. If the family has completed their family vision, it will appear here for your review. If the family has worked with a coach, you'll find key quotes and meaningful moments from those sessions right here. Access the individual family members section by clicking on Members. In this example, we'll double-click into Arthur Weasley, the patriarch of the Weasley family, to explore his personal vision and initial assessment. On this screen, you'll see tabs for the client's personal vision and their initial assessment, giving you a snapshot of their values and starting point. This guide covered navigating to the Families section, selecting a specific family, accessing their vision, reviewing quotes, and accessing the initial assessment in Total Family.